Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today we are going to look at rearranging formula, which is also known as subject of formula. Make X the subject of the following equation. I am going to take example from the simplest to complex, one after the other. Then we make X the subject of formula. We take example 1. Example 1 is x plus y equals to z, which looks very simple. Making x the subject of formula means make x to stand on one side of the equal to sign. What we do here, we write down the equation, which is x plus y equals to z. Now to make s the subject is x, we move plus y to the other side of equal to sign, and when plus crossing sign of equality, it becomes minus. That is z minus y, which make x the subject of formula. Then we move to example 2. Example 2 is s minus a equal to b. It looks similar to the first one, only that the operation here is minus. That is x minus a equal to b. To make s to stand on its own, it becomes b plus a, because minus a crosses sign of equality, which becomes plus a. Then we take example 3. Example 3 is 2x equals to y. It's just using multiplication sign, which is 2x equal to y. To make s stand on its own, we divide by the coefficient of x. That is 2x all over 2 equal to y all over 2. 2 cancel to left with x equals to y over 2. And then we move further. We call this example 3. Example 3 is a bit harder. It contains products and addition. We say solution 4x plus b equal to 2. We first move plus b to the other side of equal to sign, which gives us 4x equals to 2 minus b. Then to get x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4, meaning 4x all over 4 equals to 2 minus b all over 4. 4 cancel 4 left with x equals to 2 minus b all over 4, which make x the subject. Then we move to example 4. Example 4 contains brackets. We say solution, we have 4 into x plus b equal to 2. And we are making x the subject of formula. We first open the bracket. And when we open the bracket, 4 times x gives us 4x plus 4 times b, which is 4b, equal to 2. Next step, we move plus 4b to the other side of equal to sign. 4x equal to 2 minus 4b. Then next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4. 4x all over 4 equal to 2 minus 4b all over 4. 4 cancel out 4, left with x equal to 2 minus 4b all over 4, which make s the subject. Now let's take example 5, which is a bit trickier. Now example 5, which is 3x squared plus a equal to b. First thing we do, we move plus a to the other side of equal to sign. It will becomes minus a, which is 3x squared equal to b minus a. Next step, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared, which is 3. We have 3x squared all over 3 equal to b minus a all over 3. 3 cancel out 3, left with x squared equal to b minus a all over 3. Next step, to make x to stand on its own, to remove the square, we take the square root of both sides. That is x equal to the square root of b minus a all over 3, which make x the subject of formula. Now we take the last example, which is example 6. Example 6 look more complex than others. We say solution. First we write 3 into y plus x equal to y into x plus 2. First, we open bracket from both sides. We have 3 times y gives us 3y, and 3 times x gives us plus 3x equal to y times x gives us xy, and y times 2 gives us 2y. Then we move further by collecting the like terms. That is, we retain 3x, which is 3x, xy in the other side of equal to sign, crossing the sign of equality, it becomes minus xy equal to, we retain 2y in this side, then plus 3y in the other side, crossing sign of equality, it becomes minus 3y. Next step, we factorize. Factorize means put in the bracket again. We have what is common, s is common, then it becomes x, which is common, into 3 minus y. If you open the bracket, you get back this expression again. Then equal to what is common, y is common, it becomes y into 2 minus 3, which will give us x into 3 minus y equal to, in this side, 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1. Minus 1 times y gives us minus 1y, which is written as minus y. Then the final step, to make s to stand on its own, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is bracket 3 minus y. That is x into 3 minus y all over 3 minus y equal to minus y all over 3 minus y. Then 3 minus y, we cancel 3 minus y, left with x equal to minus y all over 3 minus y. Then we can leave our answer like this, or we can express this answer to be x equal to minus bracket y all over 3 minus y. This minus sign only affects the numerator. So this make s the subject of formula. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share so I can bring more video. Thank you very, very much.